This is Village Auto's 2016 Honda Accord EXL. Exceptionally clean one-owner car. The rear defrost, rear backup camera, alloy wheels. Absolutely pristine car. This one does come equipped with an Earth Sense 2.4 liter 4-cylinder motor along with the automatic transmission. Great deal for only $17,880. Let's get inside here for you. This one has a full leather interior. Still looks like brand new. Of course, you have full power options. Power driver's side seat with memory. Power passenger seat. Power moonroof. You have the dual screens. Info screen on the top. This is the audio screen. Dual automatic climate control. Bluetooth connectivity. The Honda Link, along with the USB and auxiliary inputs, heated front leather seats, steering wheel cruise control along with audio controls. This one has only 25,000 miles. Just altogether very clean, very well maintained one-owner car that runs and drives out absolutely perfect. Stop on down to Village Auto, bring this 2016 Honda Accord EXL home with you today.